Welcome to today's market report. European stock markets drifted lower on Friday amid concerns about the economic recovery as a resurgence in the coronavirus waves. A number of M&A deals has helped temper the losses. DAX in Germany traded flat, CAC 40 fell 0.1%, FTSE was down 0.3%. UK retail sales rose 0.8% on the month in August. Data showed this morning slightly better than the 0.7% predicted, but still a sharp slowdown from the 3.7% growth seen in July. This follows the pattern seen in the US on Thursday, as employment and housing data pointed to a slowdown in the country's economic recovery. While a rebound of sorts is underway in Europe as lockdown restrictions have been eased and businesses reopened, France, Spain and the UK, among others, are grappling with a virus resurgence that is raising the very real possibility of renewed restrictions and lockdowns. A flaring in number of COVID-19 infections over the summer month has made it very clear that if there is no effective vaccine, growth will be handicapped. According to ING, investors are still fretting over the Fed's decision not to add additional stimulus, while Congress argues over a new relief bill, and with the European Union's €750 billion recovery fund only due to kicking in next year, still news of potential mergers and acquisitions within the region has helped the tone. Covestro stock soared 6.7% after Bloomberg reported that buyout firm Apollo Global Management is weighing up the acquisition of the plastic manufacturer. BKIA, which holds a 7.5% stake in Covestro, also outperformed, rising 0.3%. Caixabank gained 0.8% after its acquisition of state-owned lender Bankia, down 2%, was approved by both boards, potentially creating Spain's biggest domestic bank. That comes as their two biggest rivals, Banco Santander and BBVA, both plumb 52-week lows. Additionally, the London Stock Exchange rose 0.6% after it revealed it had entered into exclusive discussions with Euronext, which gained 4.2% in relation to the sale of Borsa Italiana group. Elsewhere, Man Group rose 0.7% after saying it will start a new share-buyback program of up to $100 million. Oil prices climbed on Friday, with the complex set for its best week since June on the back of strong words from Saudi Arabia about adherence to agreed production cuts and reduced US stockpiles. The crude future traded 1.2% higher at $41.47 a barrel. Brent contract rose 1.1% to $43.78 a barrel. Gold future rose 0.1% to $1,962.39 per ounce. On the FX front, GBP/USD is trying hard to extend the recovery as Friday's 4-hour chart is showing an improving picture for the bulls. The pair is attacking the psychological 130 mark this morning amid Brexit hopes and despite the Bank of England's dovish shift. Speculation about a new UK lockdown and data on both sides of the pound are eyed. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen have given sterling another boost by saying, "I'm convinced a UK-EU deal is still possible." The pound was already on an upward path after Boris Johnson compromised with members of his Conservative Party after they expressed concerns about a controversial piece of legislation. Additional upbeat news came from August's retail sales figures, which is better than expected. All these pound-positive developments managed to counter the BOE's dovish message. The BOE seems to have taken a significant step toward setting negative interest rates. The bank is examining the effectiveness and implementation of such a move. However, the Bank of England's cautious outlook and the rising level of uncertainty have likely pushed Governor Andrew Bailey and his colleagues to consider that policy. Eurodollar eased higher back within the familiar 118 to 119 range and is seen today trading at 118.65, up 0.15%. The dollar index was down 0.2% at 92.823. This is today's market news. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.